Running a business used to mean one thing. You had to be in your business all the time just to stay in control, but not anymore. With Saletick, your business speaks. Send a message and your business responds instantly. Ask questions about your sales, your stock, your performance, and get real answers immediately. No delays, no guessing, no chasing people for updates. Your business is now alive, and it talks back to you while you stay in control. Your team can sell faster by simply scanning barcodes. You also get free inventory management and POS tools, all built in. Manage multiple businesses, unlimited branches, all in one place. Saletick doesn't just help you run your business, it gives it a voice. Download Saletick today and let your business speak.